Hi, I'm Mickey Gousset, a Principal Consultant Team Lead at Infront Consulting Group. And in this short video, I want to introduce you to the Infront System Exception tool. This tool is designed to look at your environment and find systems that are out of compliance with your company standards. Let's take a brief look at how this tool works. In a perfect world, all of your servers are going to be built using your company standards, installed with all the appropriate different agents that the company uses, such as backup agents, antivirus, operations manager for monitoring, configuration manager for patching. And those agents will be installed correctly every time and on every server that's built. And no rogue servers will appear in the environment. In the real world, we know that's not the case. In the real world, things happen, agents are missed, configurations aren't configured correctly, and sometimes departments just pop up their own servers for their own needs. This can lead to servers not being backed up, not being monitored, patches being missed, security issues, and even compliance issues. But what if I told you I could find all the servers in your environment, find all the ones that were in compliance, find the ones that weren't in compliance, and automatically remediate those back into compliance, whether they're Windows machines or Linux machines. And that's what I want to introduce you to, what we're calling SET, or the Infront System Exception Tool. The Infront System Exception Tool will go out to Active Directory and pull back a list of all the machines that Active Directory knows about. It will go out to Operations Manager and Configuration Manager and pull all the machines that those two systems know about. It will go to VMware, pull all those machines as well. And then it will start looking for machines that aren't in compliance, machines that are missing the Operations Manager agent, machines that are missing the Configuration Manager agent. We'll also look for machines that are missing the Tivoli TSM backup agent, as well as the McAfee EPO virus agent. Then the tool will provide you a report that says, these are all the machines that are out of compliance. These are the machines that are, and these are the agents those machines are missing. And then you have the option to automatically remediate those machines. So automatically install the agents that are missing, or install the agents on specific machines that are missing. All of this driven through automation using System Center products. Now, I want to give you a little background on the tool and then show you a couple of the reports related to the tool. This tool is still in development. We have a much longer video that goes into much more detail about the tool that we'll be happy to show you at a later date. Our first step in building this product, though, is we needed a place to store this data. So we store all of our data in SQL Server, making use of tables and views and stored procedures. And we've built a web service that we call the dispatcher that's responsible for updating the data into SQL Server. The dispatcher is scalable and modular, so it allows us to easily add in new systems as needed, as well as scale this out in very large environments. To gather the data, we make use of System Center Orchestrator and different runbooks in System Center Orchestrator. Those runbooks use PowerShell for the most part to gather the data. This is going to allow us in the future to move this, say, to SMA. And we pull data, as mentioned before, from Active Directory, from Operations Manager and Config Manager, from VMware, from Tivoli, and from McAfee. Once we have that data in the database, we need to crunch that data to be able to extract the systems that are the exceptions, and we do that again using SQL Server and using SQL Server reporting services. And I have a couple of reports that I want to show you around that. And finally, we provide remediation to fix any exceptions that we found. Again, making use of Orchestrator and making use of PowerShell, we're able to go out and automatically remediate agents for all of these products, and again for both Windows and Linux machines, enabling you to quickly bring your environment back up to your compliance standards. So I'm not going to demo the whole product here, but what I do want to show you are a few of the reports that we have. So we have this daily exceptions list reports, which shows you for all the machines that are discovered, and in this case we found 8 of the machines came from Active Directory, 11 came from VMware. We have 19 machines that are missing the SCOM agent. We have 17 that are missing the config-man agent, 23 that are missing EPO, and 23 that are missing TSM. And then we provide the detailed information for each machine as well. You can then run remediation against those machines, and we have a remediation report which will show us for the different remediations that have been run where things stand. Right now we can see that the SCOM remediation is still pending. We ran the SCCM remediation and we had 17 computers, and in this case they all errored out for some reason. And if we go look at the details of the report, we can see that they errored out because many of them were not available. But this does provide us the ability to see all of the exceptions in our environment as well as be able to automatically remediate those exceptions. We're still working on building out some of the features in the tool, such as providing an interface to either automatically allow the remediation or select the specific machines for remediation. We're adding in ticket creation and service manager, so we are able to create an incident or a change request to tie back to these servers that need remediation. And we're looking to integrate with even more third-party systems. So I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the Infront Set tool, the System Exceptions tool. If you'd like to know more information about this tool or anything else that Infront does, please send an email to sales@infrontconsulting.com.